In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your own stand in Please Donate and start accepting Robux donations. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website roblox.com, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now navigate to the tab Create, head over to the section Creations, and under My Experiences, you should see your default place. Click on that place to continue. After opening your place, scroll down the left-hand menu and click on Passes. From here, scroll down and select Create a Pass. You can upload a custom image for your pass if you want, but it's not required. Next, give your pass a name and optionally add a description. Then click Create Pass. Once the pass has been created, scroll down until you see it in the list and click on it. On the left hand side, select Sales, toggle Item for Sale on and enter the amount of Robux you want to receive as a donation. After setting the price, click Save Changes. Once that's done, click Back to Passes in the top left corner. You can repeat this process to create multiple passes if you want different donation amounts to appear on a stand. Each pass you create will become a separate button on your Please Donate stand. After creating your passes, launch the Please Donate game on Roblox. Once you're in the game, walk up to an empty stand and hold down the E key on a keyboard to claim it. As soon as you claim the stand, all of the game passes you created will automatically appear, allowing other players to donate different Robux amounts to you. You can also hold down the E key again to edit your stand, where you can customize the text, colors, and other visual details. Once everything is set up, players can start donating to your stand. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.